So you're locked down in Jamaica, right? You're on a no movement day.
Oh gosh.
As you can see. So, come here, mommy, come here.
Go in a handstand and then do the back bend.
Malani, come here. Come, daddy. Come. You're gone. Oh yeah, I got all my boat. Oh.
Come. Jaden.
You want to race?
No, I want you to help me.
Let's race.
Oh, no, I want you to help me.
The girl said
I'm
shop.
not going to be the reason your neck snapped on me.
No,
It's
I'm not
quiet
happy.
around here, boy. No sounds in this neighborhood. The people don't even come out in them backyard or them front yard or them. They, when he said no movement, I really think they're inside not moving. Just
Sitting there.
don't move. You want to go do it up yourself.
You do it since you're
I say you one can go do it up yourself with that.
No.
Be a leader.
Okay, Kira, rate me out of 10 when I do mine and rate Jaden out of
20.
Come on, do it.
I'm just trying to give you credit. Okay.
10. What do you rate that, Kira?
Jaden has to go first.
Don't hurt the baby.
That was more of a
What do you rate mine,
front
Kira?
handspring.
Out of 10.
19. 19.
A 19 out of 10. What do you rate Jaden's?
I didn't even do a cartwheel.
Okay, Jaden, what's your next one? Don't make it too hard. Don't make backflips or front flips.
I can't do backflips.
No, don't do those.
Okay.
Like, don't name them because I don't know how to do them. I like to do front and back. So, if you want to name that, I'm going to do a front or a back roll if you name that. And I will have to count.
Malani.
So I
Do
don't
a
know.
front handspring.
Come, mommy. Come, mommy.
Well, it's kind of like you do kind of like how you do a cartwheel, but you land facing this way. And you do like a flip.
Oh, no. I think she's fine now.
Come, mommy.
Watch the video. I think she's far enough now. She's still falling.
Okay, ready, set,
I want her to do her flips and kick the baby. Good job.
I tried.
Yeah, you tried. That's what's important. And you can do better when you do more.
You have to walk with it, Jaden. You can't just stand up. That's not how you.
So I'm going to do extra.
Okay, let me try, because I did it better than you, boy.
So what Nico was doing wasn't...
Wasn't the correct thing, that's why I said you.
Oh, you're locked down in Jamaica on a no movement day.
Alright.
This is... You're on your visit. This is your last day. Right. What I mean, is this what you would rather be doing?
No.
No?
I would much rather be at a beach or in the pool, chilling, enjoying the water,
I need something to
instead
drink.
of being here.
Go inside.
I'm gonna look. Okay, can I have some of the apple juice?
So this no movement day thing is
You don't have
to stop the spread of COVID. That's what the Prime Minister said. So he told the citizens of Jamaica that they can't come outside on this date. That's why it's called no movement day.
It doesn't make sense.
It doesn't
make sense.
I guess COVID only spreads on Sunday.
Yeah.
We're out all the other days of the week doing what we would regularly do, and then it's the one day we have to stay home.
Makes no sense.
At all.
You should see the rush.
Yes, you do.
The rush in traffic. People driving like they want to kill themselves. The rush in the grocery stores. Crazy. But
Melania's exfoliating like her dad.
Alright.
look, mommy. Look. Malani, look. Malani. And she's off.
Let's see, Jaden, can you do this?
Hi, Mama.
Oh, no.
Yeah, looks
I would not be tempted.
No,
quickly as possible.
Okay, nice and quiet. Out here, nice and quiet. Yeah, boy, hammock now. It look like people them not even moving at their house.
Not even in their house, in their backyard, front yard, nothing.
Nothing. Wow.
You're stuck in your house like a prisoner, I guess. Prisoner in your four walls. 4 walls of residence.
People who used to get locked up probably feel comfortable in this, though. Or some antisocial people probably feel comfortable in this.
Feel very comfortable.
Yeah, because this is their style anyways.
Yeah, this is their style. They don't want nobody make no noise. They don't want the kids play in the backyard.
They just want a quiet community
They just
kind
want
of thing.
a pin drop. They're supposed to hear it.
Because kids live here.
Yeah, kids live here.
And it's like those kids aren't allowed to play or something.
Yeah, they're stuck in their house.
Yeah, that's weird.
Very weird. It's giving me Florida vibes.
Yeah.
We're
Kira, what do you rate this?
10.
Out of 10?
Uh-huh.
I'll walk all the way to you. Or to someone.
Talk to someone. Whoever cross off.
Good job.
I guess because they're stuck in their house, they don't want nobody else to come out there.
What do you rate that, Kira?
Definitely a 10. Jaden, how many of you move?
That was awesome. That was
I
a
can't
10
walk
out
in
of
there.
10.
You can't walk.
I used to be able to, but I guess I gained.
What, Jay?
You can't walk with it.
Jay used to do backflips and all kind of stuff.
You gain a few pounds, you can't do them.
Jay?
I just haven't been outside and been running around and stuff. Didn't them. I grew up in that house. We lost
I'm gonna do a back
2
bend,
years
and then I'm gonna need you to
plus.
bring me
I want
over.
to exaggerate the further.
Okay, look. Give me over. Oh.
You got this stuff. Jay, you been keeping up with your schoolwork, man?
Yeah, I have.
So yes,
Let's do
sir.
that again, Jay.
Far has been
Jay, I need
checking me every
Okay.
once in a while, making sure.
Okay.
Jay.
I guess that's why Farah is on the phone. Farah, girl, most of the stress you know. Because he's not in Georgia anymore to sleep
Switch
from.
over and then into the back.
Mm.
Help me.
You mean he won't let me sneak my friends in?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh,
hold,
really?
Jay.
That's a big brother for you right
Can you
there.
hold him down, Jay? You know where you go like that and then flip over? Like that into the back bend?
I'm listening and learning.
Like the one where you go like that and then flip
Yeah, I
over.
know what you're talking about.
You know, when
But
you,
how? Hold on.
when you're the
So if you
oldest
flip over,
sibling,
right?
you
You
take
like that
on
Your elbows are gonna be
mother
on
and
both sides.
father traits.
Just break your arm.
The mother and father, the younger
Nah,
ones.
you seen people
Yeah.
like flip backwards.
True.
You can't flip forward like that. Your elbows will be on the wrong side.
Yeah, children do it.
Milani,
A crab?
she's sweating. Come here, mommy.
It's okay. I'll give you a
Hi,
whole entire
pretty.
lap head start. We have to do 3. So
Hi,
you go from
pretty.
here.
Okay, you're gonna rate us? Can you run faster?
She clapping.
Oh, he tricked me.
Go!
Jaden!
You beat your sister, man. You could have let her win, bro.
She already. I let her win every time.
No, you don't.
That's the
beat,
first time we've actually raced.
beat a
Let's do
little
this
baby
again.
girl.
Yeah, cast down.
Watch the baby.
Oh my god, wait.
Oh, good catch. Let me see.
Piece of glass. Mommy could have stepped on that.
Oh, you're pooping. pan.
Okay, Kira, you ready to count us?
Mm-hmm. 1, 2,
Pep talk.
3. Go!
Come on, Jaden. I won. Slow poke. Let's do this again.
If you have to talk about the no movement, do you think it's fun? I have a blog much.
La da 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 da.
What's your pound? Pound, can you catch me?
Da 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 da.
Pound.
In this particular neighborhood, you can hear a pin drop, okay? When Andrew said no movement, this is definitely no movement. They take it to heart.
You messing up.
Alright, so the
We all up in her vlog. That's it.
Dad!
Shh. Nika, you're so loud. No movement. Man, listen, we ran out of water because we estimated that we would have had enough water and we don't. So we ran out of water in the house. And what we've been doing is boiling water. So you know the no movement thing is causing a lot of rush on the road and everybody rushing. People panic buying in the stores. I went in there to get milk, juice, and water. Milk for Milani, juice, and water. Couldn't even get through. People running, wait, I have toilet paper at the yard. Wait, we have cooking oil. Wait, we need, like just going through the store. That's what that no movement stuff costs. And then on the road, traffic is crazy, is what that no movement stuff is all about. That's all it did, and lead up to a day of silence. That's it. You okay, Papa?
Yes, okay. Cheers.
You want some juice?
Yes, juice.
May I have some juice, please?
Can we have some juice, please?
Okay, yes, Kai, you may have some juice.
Cheese, say cheese.
I'm gonna go get it.